Kraken just handed you enough rope to set yourself free or to hang yourself in just 30 seconds. And half of crypto Twitter is cheering like it's Christmas morning. There's four things going on today. We've got 100x leverage, we've got trade with our money, and we've got earned yield with Bitcoin, which all sound incredible. But when I searched with AI and I went through crypto Twitter to see what's going on, very few influencers are talking about the fourth thing that Kraken announced this month. Now, the painful part is the features that are getting the most hype are the ones that are most likely to wreck everybody who is actually watching this video. I've been trading crypto for decades and I've blown out more accounts than I will even admit. And it's the exact same thing that Kraken is now packaging and selling to you with a big bow on it. So stick with me for a minute because there is an announcement buried in the pile that's really worth paying attention to. But let's start off with the stuff that everyone's most excited about. Kraken Prop. Sounds like something I wouldn't want to say at a dinner table. Kraken Prop is where you trade with the house's money instead of your own, which sounds like a dream, right? There's no capital at risk, except most traders lose, and that's not being negative. That's the math. And the prop firms make money in two different ways. First, they do have the talented few who come along and they do trade and they make a bunch of money, and the prop firm will make a part of the fees from that talented trader. But everyone else is paying to apply for that privilege. And if you don't make it, then you don't get your fee back. This is how they make money. The second announcement is even more painful. This is where the 100x leverage on Bitcoin and Ethereum perpetual contracts is now live, where a single 1% move against you can take your position right out. 1%. So if you go to make coffee, by the time you come back, as soon as you go to make coffee, by the time you come back, your position's wiped out and there you are. Your money's gone. Now, this is a fantastic fee generator for Kraken, and I've referred people to different exchanges, and I can see in my referral income on days when the group of people are trading with big positions and high leverage, I make more money with that. So for your account, I wouldn't recommend it. I would say staying on spot position, and we'll share more about that at the end of this video. But third, we have the Bitcoin Vault. It's 2.5% rewards on your Bitcoin. And the only question that comes to my mind is, where does that yield come from? Because Bitcoin doesn't have any staking rewards. Somebody somewhere has to be borrowing, lending, or taking risk that's probably in the fine print of whatever agreement you have to click on in order to participate in that. And many of us have watched this movie before, right? I lost money in Celsius and I got some back. I wasn't involved in BlockFi or Voyager, but I did lose some money when Quadriga CX went down. So maybe Kraken's structure is, they've learned from that and they're bulletproof, but I don't know. But here's the part of the video where I'll lose most of the viewers because this isn't the exciting part. This is the boring part. This is the announcement that actually has the most power. It's the Franklin Templeton Partnership. That's tokenized money market funds going onto the crypto blockchains. What that means is that Kraken is going to leverage its position as a trading exchange into being part of the financial infrastructure, the bridge between Wall Street and the blockchain. Right now, they have $800 million raised. That's with Jane Street, Citadel Securities, DRW. Now, this isn't meme money. This isn't a small trader doing 100x and getting wrecked. This is the really big money. So what do we do with that as traders? Well, nothing emotional and nothing that takes up your personal time. That's the whole point of making your money work for you while you're doing something else. I don't want to trade on excitement and I don't want to trade on press releases. I want to trade following the signals. The break of the downtrend line, the 1, 2, 3 bottom, and the EMA crossover. It's a great signal with years of back testing. Yet it's difficult to do personally. I find that I override the trading signals and I don't perform as well my personal trading as the system actually does. So over the years, I've actually fired myself and I built a trading system that connects directly up to the Kraken API. It's a spot trading system that's automated on a Google spreadsheet, and it goes directly through and fires the signals into my account. And so I've pretty much automated my trading and fired myself as the trading decision maker. And this is why I'm trading on Kraken. It's not for the 100x and not because I want to be part of their prop firm. It's because of my automated trading setup fires the trading signals into my account and does small spot trades diversified across the coins that I've chosen to trade. And so that's the reason I like to trade on Kraken. It's not for the casino stuff. It's for that real infrastructure. I want to be ready when they're doing the real world assets, and I can diversify and automate that trading. If you want to open a Kraken trading account through my referral link, it'll definitely help this channel and I will appreciate it. It costs you nothing extra, but hear me on this. I want you to look at something mechanical, not gambling the 100x trading because it's there. This is one of those features that's a headline today, but it empties accounts and it breaks dreams and it makes people stressed out. It makes you addicted to the charts. Instead, you want to have this set up so that your money is working for you while you're doing something else. It's totally boring when you set it up. There's nothing for you to do. And that's the point. Trade safe, everyone, and keep those losses small.